Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to access your WordPress dashboard from Hostinger. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger hPanel account. This is your central hub for managing all your hosting services. Once logged in, navigate to the website section, which is typically found on the main dashboard. Here, you will see a list of all your active websites. Locate the specific WordPress installation you wish to manage. After finding your WordPress site, click the Manage button associated with it. This action will take you to a dedicated management page for that particular website. On this page, look for a button labeled WordPress or Dashboard. Hostinger provides a convenient auto-login feature, allowing you to bypass manual credential entry. Clicking this button will securely log you directly into your WordPress admin area, saving you time and effort. Alternatively, you can access your WordPress dashboard manually. Open your web browser and type your website's URL followed by /wp-admin or /wp-login. PHP. For example, your domain, com/wp-admin. This will take you to the WordPress login page. Here, you will need to enter your specific WordPress username and password. Remember, these are the credentials you set up when installing WordPress, not your Hostinger hPanel login details. If you've forgotten your WordPress password, don't worry. You can easily reset it through your Hostinger hPanel. Go back to the WordPress section for your site and look for a reset password or change password option. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a new, strong password. This process ensures you regain access to your dashboard quickly and securely, allowing you to continue managing your website without interruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.